So we're still in New Paltz, New York, and we're at the Plaza Diner. The Plaza Diner came recommended by a fellow at the Mohunk Mountain House. He gave me, I got a massage today, and yeah, he was like, yo, if you like breakfast, he's like, come to the Plaza Diner. This is the place. So we're here. We're gonna get some breakfast. Ben's gonna get a milkshake.
I'm gonna get a milkshake and a Belgian waffle to see if this waffle is better than all the others that I've tasted on this trip.
What are you gonna get, Allison?
I think I'm gonna get the breakfast burrito while Ben is in search of one waffle to rule them all.
Chicken salad sandwich.
You know, the wrestler, Dusty Rhodes, used to have a catchphrase.
Is it chicken salad sandwich?
He was like, you know, baby, when life is hard, you gotta turn chicken shit into chicken salad. That's right, baby.
Do they not have a bagel and lox?
They do, I just know what I want.
It's very
noon.
Teresa-like.
But eat lunch food. It is quite good.
Is it better than the milkshake from yesterday?
Probably, because it's thicker. So it's more delicious that way.
Makes it more delicious.
More delicious.
Pat Animosity. The man is a hero. The man is a true hero.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some breakfast. I got turkey sausage, crispy bacon. That's crispy.
It'd be a lot worse if it was like 4 trash cans.
Plaza Diner, New Paltz. Good times. Ben liked his waffle, said it was the best one in town. I had a great omelet, delicious. Allison definitely ate up all of her burrito, and
Just call it the Delicious Diner.
delicious diner. Teresa, she's still trying to struggle how to get a triple-decker sandwich. Yeah,
Like Scooby-Doo, I started with just taking it apart.
yeah.
Deconstructing.
Deconstruction. But anyway, great place. You know, who doesn't like a good diner? So this is a good diner. Plaza Diner, check it out. New Paltz. And there's convenient and ample parking, unlike some of the places further down the road, so you're not dealing with that. Yeah, good times. Thanks for watching.